everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the messages on your PlayStation 4. So if you are getting a bunch of messages from people, you can easily turn this off on your account. So you can go to settings right here, go to account management, then go to privacy settings, and then you'll have to verify your account by typing in your password. Your email address should already be populated in there. Then we want to go to personal info / messaging. Then go on down to where it says messages. Then on the top it says choose who can invite you to parties, initiate messages, and send you game invites. So it says anyone right now. I have mine set to anyone. You can go to friends only or no one if you want to completely lock down your account. So this also includes party invites and game invites. So go ahead and just choose the one you want and then go to confirm. Now if you no longer want to see the pop-up notifications but you want to leave it on, you can go back to the home screen and then you can go to notifications, and we can choose this and go to pop-up notifications, and then we can turn off the notifications for messages and then also your game invites right here. Then at any point in time you want to go ahead and check those, you can go to the notifications menu right here, and then you can just accept or look at the message under here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.